So this is a unboxing and a boring review of the Powerline kit from NetComm. It's the 1.2 gigabit version. AC pass-through. This is ideal when you have a network cable on the other end or router or directly to a computer. So it should be simple to set up. And they're going sideways, which is nice. It'll free up the port. You know, usually you have two plugs. Some of them are going like this, and you really can't use the two plugs on the wall. Smart idea. And two network cables. So how easy is it to pair them up? Just a matter of plugging them in, really. And they should find themselves automatically. Correct. 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 Okay. Very simple. Alright, so just hold it for 2 seconds if you ever need to repair or add an additional one. Okay, simple. I'll plug this in. Let me see what I get. Remember the TP-Link before? We're going to do the same connection as before on the power line of TP-Link. Let's see what the difference is. Okay, so I'm using this device in the garage, which is probably, I can't measure in how many meters the electrical wire is away from, but it is not the best place. And doing a speed test, we're getting 8, so around 10ish, depending on what's plugged in, what's being used in the power lines, which is not the best. It's best to run a cable in my case, unfortunately. So yeah, there you go. This, I guess, varies, changes for every house, every property, every electrical line, etc. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Hopefully you get better results than me. I'll see you in the next one.